Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. So what's really happening on the market? You can go on CNBC just to get some updates. So I won't be going through much, but we can actually go on our economic calendar. Remember, yesterday, actually Monday, Tuesday, we never had any economic calendar, but today it's Wednesday. We have core PPI. And around 8 p.m. We're going to have FOMC meeting, so this can actually move the market. Even core PPI can also move the market, especially around 2:30. So take care when you trade Nasdaq, US30, gold, euro, anything to do that has to do with the dollar, right? So on Thursday we have core CPI. We're waiting for this actually, which is tomorrow. We are waiting for this. We're going to trade CPI actually tomorrow. So if you are not part of the team, don't forget to join the team. It's still $16, guys. $16. $16. Let me clear that. It's $16. If you are in South Africa, that I think is almost I think it's 300. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can scan this code and then you can just talk to me there. So on Friday we don't really have much. So what are we waiting for? It's actually for tomorrow CPI, as is actually the biggest one, actually the most biggest economic event. So now let's go on our analysis. We are actually on USD Canada. We don't really have to take much time. I don't think we have enough changes, but you can see that yes, on USD Canada, I think it's much better, guys, to take this as a long term. I think we did smash this. I think on Monday, I think we can still actually have another continuous trade as a swing trade. Actually, I think the market can still actually sell, and this might give us an idea that tomorrow we might see inflation going even lower, so we will see maybe the market selling. This is also a very nice indicator. USD CAD can also show you some very nice stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. But obviously I also showed you yesterday that we are actually on a downtrend. I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue selling. Simple as that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and share, share with your friends, guys. So now what's really happening on GBP if you still remember, we had a very nice structure going down. This actually showed us that, you know what, we are actually on a downtrend. You can see the market was respecting those areas. Here it seems like the market is trying to get out of that resistance, but it seems like it's pushing back again. Not really out yet, but that might be actually a breakout. If it's going to be a breakout, we will see. It means the trend will be changing. We will be expecting the market to continue to push to the upside. If not, we will see maybe the market trying to push even lower. Then we can look for a sell. Already I see a 4-hour candlestick trying to go down. If that keeps pushing lower, we will wait. That's why I said let's wait for the market to break this. Let's wait for the market to break this support area before we look for that sell, because if we just sell here, there is a chance for the market to break out, and we're gonna say the market was creating some fake moves and stuff like that, and to find out that we actually went in very early. So let's push to the next one, which is actually DXY. I like what I see actually on DXY. If you still remember, DXY has been pushing to the upside for quite some time. We've been on this bullish momentum for quite some time. So what's really happening? You can see that yes, the market was actually on a very nice uptrend. Guess what? You can see how many days it was trying to push lower. Now we just broke out of this support area. So which means we might see the dollar index trying to push the lower side, which means the dollar is getting weaker. Plus, remember tomorrow we have CPI, and if CPI, I saw that on CPI, they think that the numbers, inflations it's going a little bit lower. You can see here, previously on month-over-month CPI, previously it was 0.6. Here they say it's 0.3. Year over year, last it was 3.7. Now they predict that it will be maybe 3.6. On core CPI, which is very important, I see that there's no changes, but let's hope that there's going to be a change, so that if, let's say, the news come out like that, we're going to see the dollar actually starting to sell. We're going to see the dollar starting to sell. So when I push closer, you can see that yes, the market actually did reverse. Now we see a breakout actually on the support area. We had actually double support, this horizontal and this diagonal. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue shooting even lower. But remember, as we expect, working. Tomorrow there is a CPI. The market might just consolidate. I think also there we have this support. The market can actually consolidate around these areas, but if it pushes below this, that support, I think we're going to just see the market melting. This is also a good indicator. This is also a very good indicator for you to understand what's really happening. So in the team, in the group, for those who are in the team, yes, we're going to update you about whether to buy or to sell CPI. And we never miss. I think this year I never missed any CPI news. I never missed that. I missed the other ones, but CPI mostly I get it right. So now we are actually on GBP, USD. What's really happening? You can see that yes, we were actually on a very nice downtrend. This is also another indicator. We had a very nice downtrend. Just look, everything was going down on a very nice downtrend. Guess what? Now it seems like the dollar is losing that strength. You saw that DXY, it's pushing lower. That's why we see other pairs now gaining that momentum, which means now we might have a very nice bullish momentum from there. So from this area, obviously, I'm going to have something like that, a buy pending order. But what I know is, even though we might be correct with this buy pending order, remember we're expecting some economic news. So no, few people, investors, they are not actually willing to trade around this time. So mostly that's why you will see the market just going up and down. But I think we will see the market pushing up very nice. I think we're going to see the market pushing up very nice, and you should actually keep an eye on this pairs, because we can make a lot here, especially when we have the news. The market can just jump very quick, very quick. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Euro USD. Quite similar stuff, but not really breaking out of the outer resistance. If you check on top here, we have this resistance. So now it seems like the market is about to come around to reach this area of resistance here. If we break out of that, we will say, you know what, the dollar obviously is not going to gain. It's losing its momentum. You see that it's the market is going towards this resistance. If we break out here, obviously we know that that we are now pushing to the upside. Let's hope that CPI is going to go even lower so that we can able to buy. We've been selling for quite some time, guys. We've been selling for quite some time. If things change, maybe we'll see the market respecting this area and starting to push even lower. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, guys. Let's push to the next one. I said for those who wants to be part of the team, scan that QR code there. It's only $16. You pay once and you enjoy unlimited signals. So now we are actually on gold. If you still remember, on gold we had this nice downtrend pushing even lower. Guess what? The market is tired of pushing even lower. It seems like now the market wants to do what? To push the upside. Yes, we did that. Actually, we still have that position there. But the market has been just consolidating. Let's go closer there. The market has been just playing games. You can see we have an order, but now it seems to be going in a very nice profit. Why? I think you can see that we have actually a resistance which the market was respecting. Guess what? The market broke out of that. Now the market tries to do what? Now the market wants to push the upside. Even though we don't really see a nice push, I think because when we expect the news, don't expect much, guys. Mostly the market will just play like that. The market will just move very, very slow. You will end up getting out, and to find out that you were actually on the right side of the market, but you're already out. So what I see here is the market broke out, created a sort of a support. Now the market is trying to push the upside. Yes, we still have that order in a very nice profit. So I'm still expecting the market to reach like that resistance around 1920 there, 1920. Maybe we can see maybe a sell. And the structures, I like the structures. Every structure was actually selling or downtrending. It seems like now things are going up because of the dollar. So that might be a very nice indicator for tomorrow. It seems like we're gonna keep buying. Simple as that. But we still have to do some analysis. We can't just say we're going to buy and not do the analysis. We're still going to do some analysis, and from there we're going to take the decisions. Simple as that. So now we are actually on US30, quite similar structure as actually gold, but you can see that yes, the market is being actually showing us that I'm going down, down, down. Guess what? Now the market is trying to do what? The market is trying to bounce back. We had another counter resistance there. The market was respecting that, but now the market wants to do what? To get out. This is not actually something that you can just hold. It's just a hit and run. We are still actually on a downtrend, but I think the market just wants to reverse. Let's hope that the market will just be playing around this area. Then tomorrow we can shoot up. Remember, yeah, I think yesterday someone said, Kenzo, explain CPI. I think I will have to, but I think I've been explaining it so much. So I'm expecting the market to push to the upside. Remember, inflation or CPI, it's actually they measure the prices, goods, what we buy, eggs, whatever that we buy actually in the store or retail stores. So if the prices are going down, that is actually good, but the dollar will lose that momentum, right? Because when it pushes up, it means things are expensive and the dollar is getting stronger. So if the inflation is going down, it's good for other pairs like gold, Euro USD, anything that has to do with the dollar. So that is actually it's simple. It's just prices. As long as the prices are going down, and as we see here, they say, yeah, it seems like last month it was what? August or September. Oh, sorry, September. So prices were actually a little bit lower. That is good. It shows that the price are now normalizing a little bit. So people, they can able, or consumers, they can able to buy some stuff. I hope you understand. So that's how it is. It's not really confusing. It's just prices. Because these economic terms, they just say inflation, whatever, but it's just normal prices that you buy bread or something like that. If they start to go lower, that is good for people actually, and also for the economy, because if maybe the prices are going lower, it means they're not going to increase the rates. If they increase interest rates, because if they increase the rates, it means you're going to get it hard to get cash. Maybe if you're taking a loan, that is going to be too much because the interest rates are higher. That's why we want inflation to go lower, the prices to go lower. Simple as that. So if the prices are going lower tomorrow, we're going to see the market pushing up. If not, we're going to see the market going down, because that is going to boost the dollar. But even if the dollar is getting stronger, it's not like it's good for the US, because people are suffering when things are going up. I hope you understand that. So now here we had a trade since yesterday, never in a very nice profit. And that you start to realize that yes, the market started to actually think about CPI tomorrow. The market is just going up and down. But I think, yes, we were in a smaller profit, but still this was a hit and run. So I'm still expecting maybe another push. But today we should be safe. You can see the market is just playing games there. I'm expecting maybe the market to push up, but it won't just go straight up. I think the market will just play around. If not, maybe we'll see the market taking a U-turn from there, and then we can say, okay, maybe the market is continuing with the downtrend, as we are already actually on a downtrend. So now we are actually on Nasdaq. I like trading Nasdaq. So this is actually my favorite. So what's really happening? The bigger picture on my side is we are actually on a downtrend, but the market is doing what? Or we can just say, let's clear that. We can say, let's start from here, something like that. You see that? Then we can say, bow, bum, boom, boom, something like that. Do you see that? So I'm expecting something like that to happen. But if things are not going to be nice, if things are going low, if inflation is going to be lower tomorrow, we might see the market breaking out of this resistance, and we can say, yes, it's time for us to see the market fly. If not, boom, we will see the market going down. Simple as that. Besides inflation, we also have a resistance. So not only about inflation, we're still going to follow the structure. We have a resistance. If maybe the market is unable to break that resistance, we're going to have a nice sell from there. Simple as that. So if maybe the market do the opposite, it means we're going to look forward for buy positions, and that is going to be it. So simple as that. So yeah, I hope maybe I think we're gonna go live tomorrow. Let's go live tomorrow. So anyways, if you want to be part of the team, you can join me for only $16. You pay once. So this is limited, so don't just think maybe it's going to be here maybe next week or whatever. It's limited. I have the number that I need to reach. Then after, then we go back on our normal price. If you are in South Africa, this is actually around 310 or something like that. You can do the calculation there. So it's way too cheaper, especially for a lifetime service. So anyway, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.